In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify LinkedIn account. If you want to add an extra layer of credibility to your LinkedIn profile, verifying your account is a quick and helpful step. It can make your profile look more trustworthy and can help other people feel more confident that your account is authentic. The process shown here is very simple and only takes a couple of minutes. To get started, open LinkedIn and go to your profile page. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before you continue. Once you're on your profile, take a moment to look near the top section of the page where your main profile details are displayed. This is typically where LinkedIn places important profile-related options, so it's a good place to begin. After you've reached your profile, look for the option that says Verify in 2 minutes. This is the prompt LinkedIn provides to begin the account verification process. When you see it, click on it to move forward. At this stage, LinkedIn will guide you through the verification flow. Since the platform may update its layout from time to time, the exact placement or wording might vary slightly, but the key thing to look for is that verification button on your profile. If you don't immediately see it, refreshing the page or checking from a desktop browser can sometimes make it easier to find. As you go through verification, read each screen carefully and follow the instructions shown by LinkedIn. The platform is designed to make this process straightforward, so in most cases, you'll just need to confirm the requested details. Step by step, take your time and make sure the information you provide is accurate, because that helps avoid delays or failed verification attempts. Once completed, your profile should reflect that the verification process has been finished. This can be a useful update for professional networking, especially if you want to strengthen your presence on the platform and make your profile appear more reliable to recruiters, clients, or connections. One final tip: if you're not able to verify right away, don't worry. Features like this can vary based on account type, region, or LinkedIn's current rollout, so the option may not appear for everyone at the same time. That's it. As you can see, verifying your LinkedIn account starts by opening your profile and selecting the Verify in 2 minutes option. It's a fast process, and once it's done, it can add a little more trust and professionalism to your profile.